pa bang lubot, ani?
Manayang bangag.
Okay.
Hey Bayhanas, it's me Isa and welcome back to another video. Woot woot! Mga Bayhanas, hey baba mo sa mga parts of the vulva or the vagina. Do you think ang inyong mga favorite influencers or content creators kahibaw ba kaha sa mga parts sa mga vulva? Well, in this video, we're going to find out. Enjoy! Hi, I'm Ching!
Hi guys, I am Pinote Hernandez, but people know me as Davao Conyo.
Hi, I'm Charm from Ready2AdultPH.
Hi, I'm Wawa and today,
I'm going to be guessing the parts.
the parts of the vagina.
Okay.
Huwag ko na ibawa na lang.
Nice.
Daghan kong naibawaan.
I've never seen one in real life. Sa mga videos ra jud.
Ah, wait, tanong ako i-check.
I have one. I use it every day. I have to pee. And I have menstruation coming in every month.
Wala.
So here's a pot.
Ano na siya, girl? Ah, di din siya tutorial, no?
Oh no.
It reminds me of that painting katawan.
So can you identify the different parts of a vagina?
Ang first is ang labia. Yeah, napag-inner and then outer. But I think kuwang ni iyang layers. Jong! Hindi, uy. Lain-lain ba yung ang look? Then ang vagina is diri na. Mao na ni siyang clit. Ano pa may kuwang?
Ayaw mo haday.
Urethra.
Asa ka ng urethra?
Na din sa ubos. Tara!
And then, ano sa may tawag? Ano yun?
Hala! Ambot! Check na po na po.
Ayaw pa.
Ano naman? Normal naman na manikas. Normal naman na manikas. Ambot is.
Clitoris. Sa mag-sound effect na lang kung mali or tama. I remember magod ang clitoris daw ang mura nag-give og sensation during sex. So, you're supposed to work hard for it. So, dili ka siya expose sa gawas. I think, vaginal lining. Vaginal lining. Diri ang pubic hair nag-grow sa side. Tapos kaning line diri kani ma-feel ang urethra. Naba urethra ang girls? Ang boys magod na urethra. Diyan nag-agi ang ihi. Kani diri na part, labia minora. Because it's the smaller part. And then this one right here, like the big lips.
Wait!
Labia majora. Wala akong kabaloon sila nag-protrude really. I don't know, birthmark.
What do you call the place where the pubic hair grows?
Pubic station? Pubic station! Like train, char.
So I know this is the clitoris. The clit, right? I don't know. Anything else? This is the vagina. And then, apil pa bang lubot, ani? I don't know if this is the anus or this. I think that's it. Then the pubes are here, everywhere. Pakao lang yung babae. There. I think that's it.
Muna siya ang vagina itself. Muna siya ang bangag. Muna siya ang clit, siguro. Muna ang naibawan sa anatomy of the vagina.
What is your message for those that have a vagina?
Pussy is power, so you hold a lot of power. Take care of yourself. And I hope you feel empowered every day for having a vagina.
Hugasan yun, dili. Pasagdan, nga na.
You proud of your vagina?
Keep it clean because it's so normal to get UTI, right? And, you know, if you're having intercourse, be safe. There you have it, Bayhanas. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to give a very special shout out to Ubeko Pot for providing me with today's majestic prop. If you want to support local and get yourself an awesome pot, make sure that you check them out. If you're not a part of the Bayhana community group yet, what are you waiting for? Let's have discussions because healthy discussions are always welcome discussions. Also, make sure that you're following ByTV and Bayhana on YouTube and of course, Issaplease on all my socials. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power!
Knowledge is power. Bye.
Bye!
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 Bye. Luan ka ha. Mons pubis ko asa magtubo ang goal. Teres. Nadiri ang urethra ko asa mugas ang ihi.
Ha? Naibangag diri?
Nanay bangag dira.
If it was a dick, I would have won.